Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate on Roblox. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the Roblox website, just like so, and then once you're here, what you want to do is go to the top and tap on the create button. Cool, okay, so once we've done that and tapped the create button, what we now need to do is to come into creations and make sure experience is selected. And by default, every Roblox player is going to have their own place. So as you can see, we've got ours here and our name is here. Then what you need to do is you need to tap on it like so, and it's going to take you to the overview. Then what you want to do is go to the left hand side, scroll down. Then once you're here, you want to tap on passes. And this is the game pass, which we can then go and create and add into Please Donate to get donations. So what we do is we need to fill in our name and our description, and then we've got the option to change and to add an image as well, as long as it's within the Roblox moderation rules. So I'm just going to upload this picture. And then amazing. And then what I'm going to come on do is now press create pass down there. So once it's been created, it's then going to appear in the associated items. And as you can see, we can't currently see it just because it's still being moderated. But what you now need to do is go on tap on it like so. It needs to be on sale for us to go and get donations. So what you want to do is tap on sales, wait for it to load, go and switch on an item for sale like so, and we can go and enter a price. Roblox takes 30% and you keep 70%. And then if you go back to associated items, you can then see our pass there. And then if you go over to experiences, click on that. And then if you press on settings, and then if you make your privacy status public, and then press save changes. And that's it, guys. That is how to make a game pass in Please Donate on roblox.com. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.